Hi everyone, this is Anusiri and today I'll be wanting to talk about women as corona warriors. As we are all aware of, the world is going through a very difficult time. The COVID-19 pandemic has not only taken over the economy but has also disrupted lives across the globe. Each and every nation is dealing with this pandemic with utmost hope and sincerity. At the same time, we also realize that this journey has not been so easy. I say that this journey has not been easy because of the fact that not everyone across the world, and particularly in India, are privileged to have proper food, proper shelter, proper healthcare facilities and sanitation. In such scenarios, overcoming such a threatening pandemic becomes extremely demanding and challenging. All the individuals involved in providing all the facilities required are fighting a battle of their own. They must be in our highest regard. So particularly coming to women, gone are the times when women were only confined to four walls of the house. Today, things have changed. All women strive to achieve and they want to positively impact the world. They want the world to be a better place to live in for everyone. The best example can be these uncertain situations of COVID-19 pandemic, where women are showing extreme courage and extreme determination. It gives me immense joy telling that all the rescue operations, all the doctors involved are working so hard, so tirelessly day and night in bringing back the world that it was like before. So when the Indian government took the decision of bringing back our brothers and sisters from overseas back to our place, there were many women involved, be it the cabin crew, be it the pilot. There are many women involved. Not only the rescue operations, even when we look at our news, we listen a lot about the ASHA workers. They are the key through which we are able to trace out who is being infected with the virus. It is a very difficult journey because of the fact that those ASHA workers go door to door. They meet each and every individual for our society, for our benefit. They work so tirelessly. They sacrifice their livelihood, they sacrifice their own life, their personal family time, and even to the extent that they do not care whether it is day or night. They are working so hard. When it comes to doctors, they are our frontline workers. They are the one who every day have to deal with the virus directly. They're showing extreme courage and determination. The police officers, be it men or women, they're contributing so much so that they check that the proper guidelines given by the government has been followed or not. They ensure that these guidelines have been followed. So I would like to say that everyone are contributing their bit in this uncertain times. Any person who stays at home and they try to break their chain is actually contributing their own bit. But who is largely impacting the society are those frontline workers. And my heart goes out to all those who have been infected, treating the others. Everyone are so determined to work hard and to bring back our world as it was before. And when we see women like Sudha Murthy, Ritu Karidal, and we have Nirmala Sitharaman, we have Mamata Banerjee, such political leaders also, they're so inspirational and they're showing such courageous personalities during these uncertain times. It is very important for all of us to cooperate, for all of us to acknowledge their work, and they must be held in our highest regard. That will be our bit in this uncertain times. Thank you.